Sometimes it's just a feeling. It can be something as simple as cross member of a sneaker like goes over a different overlapping layer or line. 60s Spider-Man, comic books, watching a basketball game, watching an offense and seeing the way it moves and how it creates a pattern in the movement.
For that ball, delivering money time.
Inspiration can come from anywhere. Everybody thought I was crazy for trying. I was 100% aware I did not have the skill set required to do what I wanted to do. But it was never a question of, well, I guess I shouldn't do it. It was, what do I have to do to get these tools? What do I have to do to get this knowledge? What do I have to do to get this experience? And to me, the answer was simple. Time. Get in the shop. I'm not a third generation woodworker. I'm not a second generation woodworker. I am a 7-year woodworker. So I knew going into that I was gonna have to work triple time to even try and progress at a rate that would allow me to become what I wanted to become. In the first probably 4 years, I was running a marathon at sprint pace because I had never used tools before. I started out with $50 and about $70 worth of pawn shop tools, and forced me to really have to be willing to learn and do it the long way and the hard way. Without good tools, this job is extremely difficult. Having a system in place has been extremely congruent and a good fit for just my simplistic obsession. The tools are a lot like paintbrushes. The better I've gotten, the more it's allowed me to articulate my concepts in physical form. The better your skill set becomes, the more open you are to pursuing any inspiring idea. I knew when I started I was, taking a very big gamble, and it's really just about chasing a legacy. Like, what do you want your tombstone to say? I can't wrap my head around putting in this kind of time and commitment and physical tax to what? Be average? Willingness. It's keys to the kingdom. My name is Matt Buell. I design and build furniture.